Welcome to AI Foundations for Everyone, a four-part series from AI education for life, work, and business. In this series, we'll show you how artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword. It's a powerful tool that can help you work smarter, make better decisions, and even unlock new income opportunities and make more money. Whether you want to boost your career, grow your business, or simply stay relevant in a changing world, understanding AI is the first step. In Part 1, Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, we follow Kevin. At first, he's skeptical. AI sounds complicated, maybe even a little overhyped. But as he starts exploring what AI really is and how it can help him solve everyday problems, Kevin begins to see how AI can make his life easier, more productive, and yes, more profitable. So grab a seat and let Kevin's journey inspire your own. The skills you learn here might just lead to your next big breakthrough. Kevin had been hearing about AI everywhere. On the news, in meetings, even while waiting for his morning latte. It all sounded important, but also a bit overwhelming. One quiet morning while brewing his coffee, he spotted yet another headline. AI is changing everything. This time he paused. What does that even mean for someone like me? Artificial intelligence, or AI, isn't about robots taking over. It's about machines learning to think like us, analyzing data, solving problems, even creating things. It's not science fiction. It's happening now, and it's reshaping everything from the way we work to how we shop, communicate, and make decisions. Some call it artificial intelligence, others prefer augmented intelligence, because it's not here to replace us, it's here to amplify what we can do. And then there's generative AI, tools like ChatGPT, that can write content, create images, build presentations, even draft business plans. At first, Kevin thought, this all sounds cool. But how is this useful to me? But the more he learned, the clearer it became. AI could help him work faster, make smarter decisions, and even find new income streams. He realized that this actually could help him making more money just by learning a few new skills. Suddenly, AI wasn't just tech jargon, it was a real opportunity. Want to know how AI could give you a competitive edge in work and business? Check the show notes for more on AI Foundations. And if you're ready to turn curiosity into capability, don't just like this video. Level up. Hit subscribe so you're in the loop for the rest of Kevin's journey. Kevin had always been good at his job, but recently the pace was picking up. More emails, more meetings, more pressure to perform. That morning, after hitting snooze one too many times, he asked himself, is there a smarter way to work? That's when he remembered the AI productivity tools he'd been reading about. He started small. He asked ChatGPT to summarize long reports, saving him hours of reading. Then he used it to draft emails, meeting agendas, and even brainstorm ideas for a client presentation. Suddenly, the workday felt lighter. Next, Kevin discovered AI tools for automating repetitive tasks. He used a free chatbot builder to create a simple customer FAQ for his freelance side hustle. It ran 24/7, answered common questions, and boosted his customer satisfaction without him lifting a finger. But the real eye-opener? Using AI to find new revenue streams. He used AI to analyze market trends and spot gaps in his industry. One tool helped him draft a business plan in minutes. Another let him create engaging blog posts and social media content to grow his personal brand. In just a few weeks, Kevin went from stressed and scattered to focused, productive, and profitable. AI didn't just save Kevin time, it helped him make more of it. More results, more income, more room to grow. Curious about the exact tools Kevin used? They're all listed in the show notes. And if you want to learn how to turn your daily grind into smarter gains, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button to follow Kevin's journey from busy to brilliant. Kevin had started using AI to save time at work. But he soon realized it could do much more. It wasn't just about working faster. It was about working smarter, finding new paths, and unlocking potential he didn't know he had. That week, Kevin asked ChatGPT a simple question. What are some high-demand skills I can learn to earn more money? The answers: data analysis, prompt engineering, content creation, digital marketing. Skills that, with AI tools, were no longer out of reach. He started experimenting. Kevin used generative AI to create content for a niche blog. Then he used analytics tools to track performance, optimize headlines, and test what worked. The results? More traffic, more leads, more passive income. He also explored freelancing platforms, with AI helping him draft proposals, build polished portfolios, and even mock up project samples. He started landing gigs faster than ever before. Suddenly, Kevin wasn't just surviving his 9 to 5, he was building something bigger. AI became more than a tool. It became a business partner, helping Kevin launch ideas, spot market gaps, and turn insight into income. He saw the signs everywhere: industries evolving, roles changing, entirely new careers emerging. And instead of fearing the shift, Kevin felt ready to ride the wave. AI isn't just changing the way we work, it's changing what's possible. Want to know which tools helped Kevin take the leap? They're linked in the show notes. If you're ready to uncover new income streams and future-proof your career, tap that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next step in Kevin's journey. By now, Kevin had seen what AI could do at work, at home, and even in the side projects that were starting to bring in real income. But he also knew, with great power comes, well, you know the rest. AI is fast, helpful, and powerful, but it's not perfect. Kevin had seen AI make mistakes, misunderstand context, and even create things that sounded good, but just weren't true. He realized he couldn't just rely on AI. He needed to understand how it worked, what its limits were, and when to trust it, or question it. And more importantly, how to use it ethically, protecting privacy, respecting intellectual property, and staying transparent with clients and coworkers. But this wasn't a reason to slow down. It was a reason to level up. Kevin took it as a challenge, to not just use AI, but to master it. He signed up for a Foundations of AI course to build a deeper understanding. He wanted to sharpen his skills, stay ahead of change, and make sure he was making smart, future-ready decisions. Because in the age of AI, the biggest winners aren't the people who fear the tools. They're the ones who learn how to use them wisely. Kevin's story is just beginning, and yours can be too. If you're ready to get practical about AI, sharpen your edge, and open new doors in life and business, check the show notes for helpful links and course recommendations. And hey, don't just sit on what you've learned. Hit that like button, subscribe to stay in the loop, and share this with someone who's ready to turn curiosity into confidence. This was the end of the first part of our series on AI Foundations for Everyone. In the next episode, we explore a brand new case and dive into generative AI, introduction and applications. Discover how tools like ChatGPT can boost creativity, automate tasks, and even help you make more money and become more successful in both your career and your everyday life. Don't miss it. It could be the turning point you didn't know you needed.